Yo, what's going on, y'all? Um, so look, y'all gotta see value in yourselves because you're your biggest opponent, but you're your biggest asset. You are your biggest asset. Um, you, you are okay. So you, um, are probably more powerful than you know. Uh, so your thoughts, words, feelings, and what you be, that's way more power. It's the most powerful thing ever, basically. So basically, think, say, feel, be, and do, positive, things. And with that, it's you know uh gotta see value in yourself. Most of our problems come from lack of self-image. So basically, it's like, if you don't see value in yourself or the things you love, you gotta see value in them. Because basically it's like, you know, it's like, what do you know, you know. So if most of our problems come from lack of self-image, right, then most of our problems come from lack of self-image, right? So if most of our problems come from lack of self-image, then it's just the way we see ourselves. It's the way we look. It's the way we see ourselves. It's the way we feel. It's the way we think we are. It's the way we think we look. The way we think we are. So we gotta feel, positive. We gotta feel like we are good. We gotta feel like we are good enough. We gotta feel like we are valuable. We gotta feel like we are an asset to ourselves and to, who we, whatever. You know. So basically, with that, it's like, feel like you are a valuable asset to yourself. Assets are what you want, because assets are basically like your currency. It's what you currently see, right? So basically with assets, it's like, your assets are how you are, it's your money. It's the things around you that give you value, that hold value in your life, that basically hold, uh, hold value and currency. So the assets in your life, right? Is that my boy? Oh, I thought, nah, I thought that was my boy. So, assets in your life, right? Can I just say one thing? You manifest what you want in your life. You manifest what you want, and you manifest whatever. You feel me? You manifest it through your thoughts, your feelings, your words, your feelings, your fucking how you be, what you say, what you do. All that shit manifests into reality. So what the fuck do you want? You feel me? If you want it, then dream it, manifest it, and then think it, say it, do it, be it. Alright? Stop all the bullshit, like crying and whining. Yeah, I manifest fast, motherfuckers, don't I? That's why you see all this shit. That shit ain't right. But that's what it is, because I manifested it. Comes fast. The tone of your voice decides the speed of your choice. The tone of your voice decides the speed of your choice. Or something like that. To where basically the tone of your voice determines the speed of your choice, what your tone of your voice determines how fast something will come to you. You feel me? So like frequently repetitive and emotionally charged will manifest in your hands. It should be on Motivational Gregory and Business Gregory. I'm going to put it on both of them. And basically, frequently repetitive and emotionally charged manifest in your hands. And the vision you hold in your head manifests in your hands. So stop watching that bullshit fucking what you see on TV, all that crazy shit and that negative shit. Stop thinking and saying fucking fucked up thoughts. You know, if you got a negative thought, replace it with a positive one. Something negative happens in your life, replace it with positive. Don't mourn over somebody's death. Celebrate their life. Okay, I said that before I even knew about celebrating, you know, every day and everything. Before I knew about celebrating everything, I said, yo, their life on how they lived, not just that, but life in general, is what you should look at rather than their death. Okay? Don't remember who they were, how much happiness they brung you. Okay, that's what I used to say. I said, remember who they were before they died. You feel me? But that's just me. So I was like, you know, I always used to say, you know, think of the positive, you know what I mean? But that was just positive old Greg. Positive old Greg, you know what I mean? Now, I'm positive, but I'm positive for me and fucking what I do. If you're on my line, then good. If you're not, then better be careful, because I'm a hot box. Whatever the fuck that means, I'll fucking watch out, because I got weapons. Just saying. So, you know, think about it. So, love, Yahuwah, right? So, stop with the negative, start with the positive. How about that? Stop with the negative. To stop something, you start something. So stop with the negative, start with the positive. Start positive. Start positive. Start today. All right? It's time to fucking stop that bullshit. Start positive. Come on, y'all. You got this. Look, bro. Look at me, bro. I'm shining. Look at this shit. Look. Come on. I'm shining every day. I shine every day of the fucking year almost. Yeah, sometimes I got my bad days and I'm like, shit. Barely want to get out of bed because I got my own problems, and, you know, we all got our own issues. But hey, man, another day alive, bro, is another day you have opportunity in your life to manifest, to make choices, manifest greatness. All right? So let's come together in our own minds, in our own thoughts. Let's bring ourselves together here. You know what I mean? Let's come together as a people, maybe, but, you know, community. Come together as a people, but, you know, overall, you know, yourself, you know, you are your biggest asset. You are number one in your life. You are number one in your life. Never forget that. You matter to you the most. You have the power yourself. Nobody else has the power for you. God maybe a little, you know, but you overall, because God wants you to be, you are an individual expression of God on earth. You are the co-creator of the creator. You are a co-creator of the creator. You are, you are a, what am I saying here? You are God, generator, operator, director, whatever. So, you are a little G. Alright? There's only one big G, but be like the big G would be. Okay. Big boy. Big dog. Okay. Be as God would be. Alright. So, stop with the negative, start with the positive. Alright, y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. God bless y'all. God bless y'all. Whatever it is. I love y'all. MT33 is all awesome teacher. Master Teacher 33. That's an awesome teacher. He's my master. He's my teacher. I love that man. He teaches me so much good stuff. Master Teacher 33, the only thing I gotta say to you is, relax, man. It's time for you to start kicking back and letting the big little dogs handle the big dog stuff, to where he handles all the all the work that has to be done. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look over here. See all that mulch and stuff? I ain't do it, but did I manifest it? Who knows? Maybe. But so, look, see all that green grass? All this is green. It's all green. See, don't stop with the negative. If you have a negative thought, replace it with a positive. Because then, all that's going to be is positive. You're just going to keep having positive shit happen. Feel me? I'm on to the next. You know what I mean? I'm 12 steps ahead because, sometimes I'm fucking locked in my head. But when I'm locked in my head, I'm still like, yo, all right, well, that's bad. But, okay, if that's bad, really, it's not bad because it all derives from source. It all comes from fucking God. So basically, what the fuck is bad? Nothing. So basically, I'm trying to manifest good from it. So yeah, I'm replacing with that negative with a fucking positive, and I don't give a fuck if I kill somebody because of it. Okay? Fuck that. Nah, I'm done. No, don't. Okay. All right, look. This is going on YouTube, so chill. Look. Maybe I was just kidding about the last part. Maybe. So just relax. All right, because I'm trying to. This is my life here. This is my work. So relax. I'm not gonna really do anything unless they were to come at me. So, with that being said, look, I was pumped up. I'm gonna relax, but I got a lot of energy. I'm a young kid. All right, not a young kid, but 27. Not a kid, but a young man, ready to take on the world, if you know what I mean. So, you guys sit back and relax and watch G-Bo do his shit, because I'm about to be doing it big in Massachusetts 33. That's my boy right there. That's my mans. And Kyle, that's my dude. He hooked me up with that, man. I don't give a damn. I stand by them till death. Or for life. My cuz, Topaz, and all my cousins, my brother, my mom, my dad. I love them very much. My grandparents, they were always there for me. Grandma Bebop. And Kathy's a new one. She's cool. Long lost aunt. That's awesome. Can't believe she's cool. She's very cool. She's very nice. Aunt Kathy, this is for you. If you see this, I love you. You're awesome. Love you, Aunt Kathy. I love all my family. I love all my friends. Justin, Jimmy. Fucking, yeah, man. So, God bless y'all. I'll see you at the top, because Yahoo, I'm at the top. Master T33 is at the top. Kyle's at the top. Tony's at the top. All these motherfuckers at the top. We're waiting for y'all. Because, look, all it takes is the mindset. It takes the thought. It takes the words. It takes the feeling. It takes the being. Once you do all that and have it aligned with God and the universe and what you already have, then just shit starts to align in your stay in your lane. You feel me? Stay in your lane and fucking manifest and put all things in order. You feel me? If you're gonna don't have a messy room, don't have a messy life. You feel me? Get all your shit in order. Organization equals monetization. So keep that in mind. I really appreciate y'all. this is my free show that I'm doing. I will be doing more paid shows. So, yo, check out my new product that I made on Business Gregory. You go to businessgregory.gregorybo.com. I teach you how to make an online business in about 15 minutes or less, or 20 minutes or less. I teach you what the steps to take to create an online business and how to start making money right away, basically. It may cost you some money to make the money, but then again, it might not cost you money to make money. If you got any more questions, email me at gbou93@gmail.com, or any of my Gmails, if that matter. Besides that, yo, man, y'all have a good day. God bless y'all. I really love people, man. I love people, because even if I didn't, even with all this crazy shit, it makes you fucking stronger, bro. Even when we fucking die, or even no matter what we go through, it just makes us so fucking strong. And man, like, now's the greatest times of our fucking lives. It's the greatest times of our fucking lives right now. It's the age of Aquarius, man. It's the best times of our fucking lives. For the next 2,000 years, we're just blessed up. God's just got plans for all of us fucking for the next 2,000 years. It's just the greatest times of our fucking lives. It's the age of Aquarius. Just started last year, December 21st, when the planets align. Oh, shit, man. There's some good shit. God bless y'all. I love this shit. So, look, man, I'm blessed up. I'm blissed up. I'm good. You know, I wish y'all could just, you know, get on the level, like Massachusetts 33 said, where there is no devil. But, like, you know, you can do that where you're at right now. Stop procrastinating. I don't give a fuck if you got money or not. Currency is what you currently see. So if you see money in your life, if you see, you know, wealth in your life, if you see health, then you'll get that. Health, wealth, wisdom, great relationships. If you see it in your life, you will achieve it. So stop waiting around and start doing it. But don't do it. Be it. Be it. Be it. You already are. Say that. You already are. So I love y'all. Have love and you shall not perish. Choose this day whom you shall serve. Do you serve the highest of the high, God of all gods, Father of all fathers? That's Yahuwah. His son Yahushua Jesus, but serve the highest. So, all right, y'all. Love y'all. God bless y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to any of my channels. Subscribe to, whether it's my YouTube, but YouTube is cool. But you subscribe to my websites to get updated posts or products. Besides that, subscribe, follow, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all that. You know what I mean? And if you need anything from me, message me, because I'll help you out if you need something from me. Whatever it is, maybe I'll have something that, you know, that you'll need. So, you know, so let me know. All right? Once again, you guys are awesome. God bless y'all. Y'all take it easy. I think this is the best best video I've done so far. By the way, can you check out Business Gregory? Like I said, once again, I have an offer. It's only $10. It's about 15 minutes long video where it teaches you right in there how to start creating wealth into your life and how to manifest it, and basically what goes with wealth. Besides that, how to create an online business and how to start making money right away. So, costs $10. Simple payment. Pay with your debit or credit card, whatever it is. Once you make that payment, then you'll get a link after the purchase. You'll get a link to go to, and you'll go to that link, and that'll lead you to the video, and that video in there will explain it. So the product, the details, all that stuff is there. So, all right, y'all. That's one of my first products that I have out, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Hit me up. If you need me, I'm here. All right. Love y'all. Peace.